Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Afiq bin Okharuriza. So today, my metric number is 25598. I'm going to present about the website of my business, which is armadamuchiarijaya.com. So this is the front page or the home page of the website looks like. So first of all, there is a few pages that we could see, which is home, store, renovation, landscape, house, account, or about. First of all, I am currently doing a housing industry business, which clients can contact us to build their house or landscape, or even renovate their house, or even create their home or their house landscape. So first of all, this is the home page, which looks like realizing your dream home, which is this website will only collect 100 ringgit for the booking fees. So here is what the homepage looks like. It is located in Perak, so it is Perak wide. We deliver our services throughout Perak. We shows our best results only for the clients, and also we offer the best offers that the client can find. And also for the payments, we guaranteed that we give them service first before payments. So it's called payments over progress. So we'll move on with the first store, with the first page, which is store. So this is the store or the products that or the services that I offered. So in these pages, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 11 products that can be found on the website. So as we can see, only 100 ringgit is required for all of the products. This is for their booking fees only. So this is all of the services or products in one pages. If I go to the renovation pages, there is only renovation category in this page. As you can see, there are only 3 services. If we go to landscape, only landscape category will be shown here, and also in the house pages, only houses design that will be shown here. There will be no other category in the house categories. So we can go to the click on the one of the products. So as we can see, a bougainvillea types of products. This is the design of the houses. So this is the description of the houses, which is 120,000, 250,000 with only 100 ringgit booking fee. So only 100 ringgit will be collected with a double-story house, 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So when we want to order, we could go to the add to cart here and add this product to the cart. So here is the we can go to the carts. So when the client wants to order, they can add the services or products or design that they want. So for example, here is the products that have been added to the cart. So you can edit the quantity. So usually clients will only choose 1 quantity, or maybe 2 for each category. I mean, if they want to build house, they may need also wants to do the landscape, so they will add 2 different categories here. So once we confirm our quantity, we will update our cart, and we can see that our cart totals here is 100 ringgit only. So next we will proceed to the checkout. So here in the checkout, we only use PayPal as our payment system, payment gateway. So here we can enter our name. So let's say I put Raup, house number alright. City in Perak, so only city in Perak will be available. Perak, and the postcode. So the client will need to fill in their details here. And also their email address. So once they have been entered their billing details, we will go to the okay, we will go to the payment. The payment is reconnecting. So for this website, for now, I only use PayPal as the payment gateway, and also this PayPal account is only based on the sandbox system only. So there is no real transaction happen. I will just reload because this is taking too long. I'll just use the existing one. Alright. So we will then proceed to the payment, which is the PayPal. So in this PayPal, only a sandbox account allowed to make the payment. So we will need to go to the PayPal sandbox web first. So we will log in to get our email and password for this PayPal account, PayPal sandbox account. So I have created a few of the accounts. So this is for just the testing transaction. So this is the email ID. We just paste it here, and also this is the password for our PayPal sandbox account. So with this login, the client can pay for this website. If after I disable the sandbox PayPal, the client will have to pay the real transaction, their own PayPal account. So there is no sandbox account after I disable the sandbox system. So now we are logging into the sandbox PayPal account, and we will click pay with our PayPal account. So this shows that our transaction have been received. So next we just go back to our page. So that is it about the checkout and payment. So about the about us, we only shows that Armada Group was commenced on July 2019, mainly in construction business. So this is me, the CEO, and also the number for the contacts. So I guess that's all for this website. Thank you.